Balancing regulatory compliance with improvements to customer experience is vital when tackling financial crime. Our reporter found out how NICE Actimize applies innovative technology to protect institutions, giving their customers more agility whilst also protecting them.
Criminals are finding increasingly sophisticated ways of stealing money and ruining lives. It's crucial that banks and other financial institutions stay one step ahead by closing the loopholes and making them and us less vulnerable to attack. There's been a greater seismic shift in technology in the 20 years since NICE Actimize was set up than at any other time in history. The company is a market leader in financial crime, risk and compliance. The EMEA headquarters is in London, but they operate across the globe.
So we help our customers fight fraud and financial crime and maintain their compliance. But I think it's important to remember what this is all about. What is fighting financial crime supposed to achieve? It's about protecting people. It's about making sure we build trust. It's about making sure that those that are possibly affected by fraud and financial crime are given the right levels of protection. It really is about putting the customer first.
Imagine you've got an incredibly smart accountant, and now scale that up by thousands. And imagine they're all looking at all the banking transactions that an organisation has, and they're able to find patterns within that indicate a crime has occurred. That's what the technology is doing.
In a fast-moving market, software needs to be constantly evolving. It's no longer a case of adapting to change, it's crucial to adapt to the rate of change. It's about predicting the criminal's next scam.
Society has changed. Everyone's using mobiles all the time, they're using computers all the time, we use our banks like websites now, we don't go to a branch anymore. And that's important because the criminals know that they can start to pretend to be you on your mobile phone or pretend to be you on your computer. So banks have got to start learning to adapt to these ways the criminals are attacking. And it's not just using technology, it's people, it's experience and technology together that allows us to go to our customers and say, this is how you can get better at fighting these types of crime.
At the heart of all this is us, the consumers. In the first half of 2018, individuals and businesses lost £145 million to fraudsters, only 30 million of which was recovered. NICE Actimize helps companies understand what the fraud threats are and how they impact on financial services organisations and their end customers.
This is ruining people's lives. The customer doesn't have the chance to do anything about this. The banks do. We're giving them the tools and the platforms and the advanced analytics to really stop this fraud. Last year, one of our customers increased their social engineering detection rate by over 250% by using our advanced analytics in this area.
It's estimated that more than £100 billion of illicit wealth, money laundered through criminal activities such as corruption, drug dealing, fraud and tax evasion, flows through the UK financial markets every year. McLaughlin is a former City of London police officer and money laundering expert. He advises clients on the best technology to combat what is an escalating problem.
Money laundering affects us all. It affects communities, society and economies as a whole. Drug dealers, human traffickers and wildlife traffickers will all use money laundering networks to move their illicit gains. Historically, we used to look at individual transactions, but now with machine learning and data analytics, we can now look at the bigger picture very quickly. We can look at multiple individuals, the source of funds and the destination of these funds, and ultimately work out where these funds are going and prosecute the organised crime gangs involved.
NICE Actimize, combating financial crime by leveraging deep domain expertise with cutting-edge technology and analytics to help financial institutions reduce the victims of fraud, money laundering and other financial crimes.